Imagine you're sitting in a bustling coffee shop, surrounded by people. You overhear a conversation between two friends. One says, "I've been using Stash for a while now, and it's amazing." The other replies, "Really? I've been thinking about trying it." "How many customers does it have?" That's a great question. Stash, as you might know, is a popular investment app that allows users to invest small amounts of money. It's designed to be user-friendly, making it accessible to people who might not have traditionally considered investing. But the question remains, how many customers does Stash have? The importance of customer base. Before we dive into the numbers, let's discuss why the customer base of an investment app is so important. A large customer base can indicate several things. Trust and reputation. A large number of users suggests that people trust the app and its services. Market dominance. A dominant market position can give the app leverage in the industry. Community and network effects. A large community of users can create valuable network effects, such as sharing investment tips or discussing market trends. Researching the customer base. Unfortunately, Stash doesn't publicly disclose its exact number of customers. This is a common practice among many financial technology companies, as they may want to keep their growth metrics private for competitive reasons. However, we can still make some educated guesses based on available information. Here are a few factors to consider. Funding rounds. Stash has raised significant funding from investors. These investors are likely interested in the app's growth potential, which is often tied to the number of customers. Media coverage. Stash has been featured in numerous news articles and blog posts. This media attention can help attract new customers. Competitor analysis. By comparing Stash to similar investment apps, we can get a sense of its relative market share. Estimating the customer base. While we can't provide an exact figure, it's safe to say that Stash has a substantial customer base. Given its popularity and the growth of the fintech industry, it's likely that the app has millions of users. The future of Stash. As Stash continues to grow and evolve, it's important to keep an eye on its customer base. A larger customer base can lead to increased revenue, greater market influence, and more opportunities for innovation. So, to answer the question we posed at the beginning, how many customers does Stash have? While we can't give you a precise number, it's clear that Stash has a significant and growing user base. This is a testament to the app's popularity, user-friendliness, and the growing interest in investing. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.